from there. So it's 92 steps or something like that. My steps. So from here to there. And then not too bad. It's huge. It's big. It's 3.6 acres. But a lot of bamboo tree that we need to get rid of. It's not part of our property, it's somebody else's right here in the back. But yeah, well, a lot of still some work to do. But it's good, not too bad. Oh, wow, this beautiful house over there, guys. A year later. So I don't know who is the owner of this property right here next to ours. Not sure. So look at this big transformation from last year, guys. Remember this area over here full of bamboos. And then this area right here covered by citrus trees. Dead citrus, actually. It is a citrus farm over here on the other side. They all cleaned up, and this is what I did with ours. So I built that shed for the water pump. That's right after they built this 30 by 50 mil garage. And of course the foundation, I did that myself. So yeah, I was lucky that Lowe's actually has the same color that matches our mail garage, so it looks much better. It's not the best, but can't complain. So that's it. A year later, guys. Not too bad. And it's time for me to go home. I'm tired. So I did mowing this side over here, the bamboo side. And I picked up some of those PVC pipe, whatever, irrigation system, whatever you call it. And yeah, I'm tired. Hopefully next time I mow this bamboo area over here, it must be better. But it was a bumpy, a really bumpy ride. It's not leveled. I mean, it's not what's the word? It's a lot of small bumps. So it's not easy. Anyway, I'm out of here. I'll probably be going Pampano jigging tomorrow. I like that house over there. Maybe we can build the same house, same size house over here in our property sooner or later. Maybe, I don't know, maybe 5 years, 5 years from now, maybe. Who knows? Hopefully I'll still be around. It looks like they are starting to do some farming over here, guys. Remember, this is the area, this is the side right here, the front side of the property that inspires me to to buy this property right here. So this is the big transformation from last year, guys. Remember this area right here? Full of bamboo trees right here on this side. The left side right here. Look at the house, beautiful house. Yeah, I believe they purchased this after I purchased my ours over here, because when I looked at the you know the real estate you know the internet, this is the property that got sold, my our property. And then all of a sudden, just people right here on my the left and the right side, they all of a sudden yeah, they pop up. Before I knew it, like sold right after the after my closing over here. So yeah, that's the big transformation of our 3.36 property here, farm. So I'm looking to this part of the retirement plan, guys. So hopefully I can my whatever my dream over here will come true, hopefully. So this is just, like I said, my retirement steps plan, or whatever you call it. So I'm tired, guys. I'm tired. So mentally tired, actually, last week. So this farm right here makes me it refreshes my my mind. It resets it. You know, being a son of a farmer, it really helps me do some stuff here. So yeah, I enjoy it. So I'm going home now. Oh, look at those birds! They came after I left. Huh. All right, going home. So after mowing the bamboo area of our farm, guys, I decided to pick up some of these. I think they use this to I don't know what's the word now, to irrigate the irrigation system, I think. So I pick up some of them, and but I end up with this much, guys. Look at this. It's crazy. My wheelbarrow is overflow with this stuff. So I mean, I know there's probably more of them underneath, but at least I you know, I picked up some of them, so hopefully that will help me next time I do my mowing. It's gonna make my life a lot easier. And I decided to dump it here, where this is the previous owner's property, actually, over here, with his well pump over here. So this is where I'm gonna dump it. Hopefully he doesn't mind.